Hello, and welcome back to our How to Navigate Buy.Klingspor video series. In this video, we will explain how to use the product catalog and make an online purchase. Although this video explains the product catalog, you can also make purchases and find products through the Customer Self-Service tab. There are so many abrasive products to choose from here at Klingspor. If you're just browsing for items, it can be a little overwhelming. But Buy.Klingspor's easy and manageable interface lets you narrow down your options as you go. Start by hovering over the Product Catalog option in the main menu. A list of several general product groups will appear. Hovering over the product groups will give you another breakdown of the products, either by size or even by more product groups. You can organize the list of products by item number, price, or description. You can also change the layout from expanded thumbnails to a table or to a list. If you want to compare 2 or 3 different products, check the box that says Compare, located under the product thumbnail for each of the products. Then go to the top of the page and click Compare in the menu on the right. From the same menu, you also have the option to add to your list. There are several ways to find the products you need through Buy.Klingspor. Whether you find them through the product catalog, item history, My List, or Order Pad, you will likely have the option Add to Cart on each of those pages. Remember, when entering the quantity, it must meet the minimum quantity or a multiple of that. Once you have added all the items you need to your cart, simply go to the very top right corner of your screen and click My Cart, or hover over the button beside it for an overview of your items and total and click Checkout. Here you can either update your cart, empty cart, compare items, add to list, continue shopping, proceed to checkout, or preview final price. If you are ready to purchase these items, click Proceed to Checkout. Here you will see your order information and you will have the opportunity to fill out additional details. When you are finished with this step, click Continue. Here you will look over your order summary, and if you are satisfied with the information you see, click Confirm Order or Pay Now. Buy.Klingspor will take you through the rest of the steps to make a final purchase. If you have any questions during this process or after, please call our Customer Relations Department at 800-645-5555.